Shall we demonstrate the existence of the energy field, Mary Beth?
Sure.
Okay. So I want you to put your arm out. This is extremely rudimentary kinesiology, applied kinesiology, but it will work. And let's see how strong you are. Wow. Now I'm going to break up your energy field, and then we'll see how strong your arm is. So here we go. Right. Well, that's sure we can do. Let's restore your energy field. Great. Put your arm out again. And strong again. Try it for yourselves. Don't believe us. Test it yourself. That's great.